Gang, I do not mean to alarm you guys, but we have 2 horses flat out. I'm going out to get the one that's standing up. Hold it. Going out to get that one. 2 of them flat out. We might need to take a brief pit stop to say hello to the babies laying down. No, Kenzie, don't blow my cover. She needs to stay laying down so I can at least go say hi to her. Oh, I made it. Oh my. That was pathetic. Oh my god, she's a baby. So sweet. Dolly, can I come say hi to you? This is Dolly. You sound weird. This is Dolly. She's not usually cuddly. Goodness. I made another video of her laying down before. Yes, hello. She's tired. Anyways, gang, I just wanted to show you guys. Oh my god, I love horses so much.
Dang, they're still laying down. Oh my god. Package is secure though. We got the horse we needed. She's still making this weird noise though.
Oh, Kenzie, you're so photogenic. Anyways, bye, gang. They say bye. She says bye. I say bye.